Tired of choosing between stunning visuals and smooth gameplay? Let's unlock the secret to having both by enabling Nvidia DLSS. First, ensure you have Nvidia GeForce Experience installed and updated. You can usually find it in your system tray. If not, download it directly from the Nvidia website. Next, head to the Drivers tab within GeForce Experience. It's crucial to have the latest game-ready driver installed for optimal DLSS support. Click Check for updates to make sure you're running the most current version. Now, launch the game you want to boost with DLSS. Navigate to the game's graphics settings menu. The location may vary depending on the game. Look for the DLSS option. It might be under Upscaling, Advanced Graphics, or something similar. Select the DLSS setting and choose your preferred quality level. Quality prioritizes sharper visuals, while performance focuses on maximizing frame rates. Experiment with the different DLSS settings to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and performance for your specific hardware. You should immediately notice a boost in frame rates and improved image quality. That's it. You've successfully enabled Nvidia DLSS. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC gaming tips and tricks.